Hi, it's Paulo Haddad, and this video I will show you how you can read and write properties of buses. But before we go to the video, as always, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That helps me to understand if I'm creating the content that you enjoy. Right, so let's go to the computer. Here I have already a file called read write properties buses, and what we are doing, we are compile our 13 bus, and as usual print here and then right click debug. Perfect. Yeah, we stop there. So the idea is that we have multiple buses in our circuit. The buses are created based on the element definition. We don't create buses directly. You don't say new bus 1. We say new line that is connected between two buses, and then the buses are generated in OpenDSS based on elements, right? Very important. So with that said, the idea is that since we have multiple buses, we need to find a way to activate the bus that we are interested in. And to do that, let's first select the bus I want. Maybe I want to look at this bus, 671. That's the bus I would like to see. So you go here, and since bus makes sense, that might belong to circuit, right? A circuit has buses. So let's try DSS circuit and set active bus. Wow, so we have it. We have similar to active element. We can do it for bus, and this is the bus I want to activate. So after I do that, everything I see under bus methods will be related to that specific bus. So let's try that out. So okay, I'll stop it, right click, and then debug. Let's open the evaluate expression DSS bus, and then nodes. Those are the nodes I have, 1, 2, 3. While we can read more, let's find out. We can read name, which is the bus 671. What else I have that we can get? Right, KV base. We have a bunch of things that we can read. So, and we also have, let's see here, some write options. But the write options we have are only for coordinates. So you can have a bunch of like DSS.bus. You can read a bunch of things like KVA base, right? But to write, you can only write like coordinates. So you should have like coordinates 10 here if you want. So you change it, right? So the idea is that you activate it using the circuit, and then you can have whatever you want from the buses. So I'll copy some of options here, just that you can run this script and get some results. I'll close it. So yeah, I'm getting here the KV base, and I'm saying print bus DSS bus name. The bus name has a voltage base of KVA. So let me include here the unit as well, KVA. And then I'm changing the coordinates here just to let you know that those are the only options we have. So you can run that, and here you have that string. So guys, very simple. This video is just to show you that you can explore all the options we have under bus methods, and see if there's anything interesting that you might use in your project. Again, if you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that's all I have for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.